Cathie Wood is going ham on Palantir. This article is coming from Business Insider. It's dated May 10th. Titled Cathie Wood makes whopping 43 million Palantir buy after stock's massive surge. Cathie Wood led ARK Investment Management loaded up on a whopping stake in Palantir Technologies after the company declared strong quarterly earnings and said it expects to remain profitable each quarter through the end of the year. So earlier this year, Palantir announced their quarterly earnings, and it was the first profitable quarter ever. And not only that, they said that the rest of the year they anticipate the quarters to be profitable. Funds operated by ARK bought over 4.37 million shares, and Palantir had an estimated valuation of 43 million. Okay, again, this article is from May 10th. Let's fast forward to May 19th. This article is coming from Benzinga. Cathie Wood's ARK boasts Palantir stake by 3.4 million as the stock hits 1 year high after upbeat Q1. So she buys more Palantir stock to the tune of roughly 300,000, right? A split between her ARK FinTech innovation and the ARK Next Generation Internet ETF. So today, she causes the stock to surge higher. This article is coming from The Motley Fool, why Cathie Wood is helping Palantir stock soar again today. ARK Invest, which is led by Cathie Wood, published updates on its website yesterday revealing it had once again increased its holdings in the Palantir stock in its ETF. On Monday, ARK Invest disclosed that it had purchased 243,000 shares of Palantir stock for its ARK Innovation ETF, 54,000 shares for its ARK FinTech, and 42,000 shares of its ARK Next Generation ETF. Again, Palantir stock is now up roughly almost 100% year to date. In addition to growth stocks generally enjoying recovery momentum, the company's better than expected first quarter results, guidance for generally accepted accounting principles, profitability in each quarter this year. However, all this momentum and upside comes with some downside risk. While Palantir's impressive rally could continue, investors should approach the stock with the understanding that it remains a risky and somewhat speculative growth play. With a market cap of roughly 27 billion, the silver company is valued at approximately 59 times expected earnings and 12 times expected sales. Now, this valuation may be justified. Palantir is in the AI field, and we can see all these stocks being bid up. So it might be justified if they can continue to execute on their quarterly earnings. Who knows? Now let's go to the stock, and let's just start with the daily chart. As you can see, price surged today, went from roughly 1180, hit a high of 1340. You had some profit taking, and it closed at 1264. So the question is, how much higher can the stock go before eventual pullback is inevitable? As investors say, while price is getting crazy, let me take some off the table. So if we go to the monthly chart, what I see is this massive monthly wick, which was support, should serve as resistance now. And so above this $17, there are weekly sellers. So this could be a bull trap, meaning support and resistance players. If it closes above the 17 level, that might be a sign to go long, but they may be met with sellers at the 1875 level. Let's go down to the weekly chart so we can see that a bit clearer. Okay, so we had a drop in price, several basing candles, and then a drop in price. So because there was a lot of trading here, the zone may or may not hold up. Nevertheless, it is a seller's level, and so let's mark it in. Weekly sellers at the $19 level. So despite the run up, despite the stock being up 100% year to date, price can continue to move higher. We're at $12.64. Stock has another $4 to $5 run in it before seeing some huge sellers come into play. What do you think? Do you think price can move higher? Do you think it's time to take some off the table? Do you dollar cost average and don't look at your portfolio for 10 years? Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.